How to verify Worldcoin account without ORB. In today's video, we're going to show you how to verify your Worldcoin account without using the ORB device. If you've been looking for an alternative method to complete your Worldcoin verification, stick around for the full guide. First off, for those of you who may not be familiar, Worldcoin typically uses a device called ORB to verify your identity by scanning your eyes. However, not everyone has access to ORB, or some people prefer other methods of verification. But don't worry, there are alternative ways to verify your account, and that's exactly what we'll be walking you through today. First things first, what you need to do is open Worldcoin app. After you've installed Worldcoin app, simply open it and you'll be greeted with the sign up page. Simply click on sign up to create your Worldcoin account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your basic details such as your email, phone number, and create a password. After completing this setup, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions. Now you're ready to move on to the next part. When you reach the verification screen, you'll usually be prompted to use the ORB for eye scanning. However, instead of ORB, look for the option that says verify without ORB or verify in alternative method. Tap on this option and you'll be given other options to verify your identity. These methods may vary based on your region. And after that, simply choose another alternative like video verification method. You'll need to record a short video of yourself where you'll be asked to follow simple instructions such as showing your ID or answering specific questions. Once you've completed the video verification, the Worldcoin team will review your submission. This process usually takes a few days, so be patient, and you'll receive a notification on the app once your account is successfully verified. And that's it. You've now learned how to verify your Worldcoin account without needing the ORB device.